Good morning, student. The next topic, the Indigo Revolt, 1859 to 1860. The first the last class I took in the synthetics mainly for the synthetic ties, where the synthetic ties and the indigo tie was the very popular in the European countries. Very popular in the European countries. The British government forced to the cultivated in indigo, but they given some initial amount. They given to some initial amount, but the after the finishing or after the cultivated, the British government going to part the very low prices, but the indigo cultivator cannot pay the interest. Again the British government forced to the cultivated the indigo crops, so the debt also increased and followed by the father to son. After that, the Indigo Revolt was began in 1859. The Indigo Revolt was began in 1859 of the mainly for the rebellions began as a strike. The rebellions began in as a strike. After the peasant of the village in Bengal, mainly for the Nadia, mainly for the Bengal in Nadia district, the village Bengal's Nadia districts, so did not cultivated in more crops in indigo. The fight against the British government. So anymore did not any more crops cultivated for indigo, mainly for the indigos. The peasant village Bengal district refused to grow any more indigo. Refuse. The news spread over the Bengals. So the turn is violent. The revolt then turned into violent in the mainly for Hindus, and this violent is Hindus and Muslims also participated. Hindus and Muslims also participated in the revolt. Lot of the women's and the men's also participated. They using the weapons against the British government. For first one is the pot. The women's use in the pot. Another one is there. The pots. Another one is mainly for the ponds. Another one is the ponds. The fought alongside of the men's. In these articles is the Bengal artisans, the Indian journalist in Kolkata wrote the articles about the plurality, about the brutality of the peasant. The 1860 the play and Nil Darpan. That means the Nil Darpan, that means mainly for the mirror of the indigo. The Nil Darpan, that means a mirror of the indigos, by the Dinabandh Mitra. The written by the Dinabandh Mitras, did much to draw the attentions in India, but attention in India, the Europeans to the flight of the indigo growers. Flight all the indigo growers. So in 1857 mainly, 1859 mainly. So 1859 the indigo revolt was started, and against some of the peoples, mainly for Bengal peoples. The first the Bengal Nadia's district is participated. The revolt widespread. The women's and the men's also joined this revolt. After that, the Indian journalist, the Dinaband Mitra, wrote the Nil Darbans. These drawn attentions of the Indian and Europeans flight of the indigo growers. So next one is, next topic, Deccan Right. Next topic, Deccan Right. Deccan Right in 1875. The British government heavy taxations against the agriculture, that damage the agricultures. So the famines was increased, death also increased, and the first recorded incident of the riot against the mainly for money lenders in May 1875. The Deccan riot against the May 1875. The first occur in the Suba near the Pune. The similar case of the riots were reported from the close 30 villages, Pune and Ahmednagar, mainly for the 30 villages. The riots was directed mostly at the money lenders. The riots was directly mostly at the Gujarat money lenders under the British. The peasants were forced to pay the revenue directly for the government, not interferes the others, the money lenders. So the peasant directly pay the money for government. Under the law, the money lenders were allowed to attack the mainly for markets, the mortgaged land of the defaulters of portions of it, mainly in this, and against the result transfer of land from the cultivator to. In this resulted the Deccan rights, mainly for the transfer, the result of the transfer to land owner to non-landowners. Also the affected. The cultivator, the land from the cultivator to non-cultivator causes the drafted the various circles, the debt and unable to pay the outstanding amount of the patient. So cannot pay the outstanding of the amount, cannot pay the amount for the patient to the money lenders, was forced to abandon to cultivation. So abandon the cultivation, because is the main reasons for the money lenders give a lot of monies. Lot of problems arise in this. The Deccan yards. In this topic, the mainly for agriculture affected, the famine increased, the death rate of also increased. The first against the fight in Subha near the Pune. The similarly the main focus on the money lenders. So thank you.